I think genomics has undoubtedly revolutionized breeding, but we still have to rely on the breeders to make decisions on how we should breed and what should be the traits of interest. If I wish to make a suggestion, it would be the two parts should be co-leading our effort towards developing new varieties. It should be, I think effort should be made towards high-end tools, at least to do a lot of discovery, but that should be linked to some applications. So it should be, a significant investment should be made toward high-end tools, but a major investment also has to go into the applications. And this calls for how are we setting up our partnerships with national programs that will be in the long term in the application of the tools generated. Well, I think, let me just say 50-50, not just to play safe, but I think we have to keep up with the acquisition of the appropriate tools in genomics, not just to wait for someone to develop it for ourselves. But at the same time, we have to be on the application side also. So conventional breeding and high-end genomics should really be working hand in hand. At any given point, if I'm looking at my budget, for instance, for my specific program, for the next 3 years, we're going to invest more than 70% in the acquisition of genomics tool. But in later years, we have to make sure that those tools are actually utilized. And it means that in those years, our investment will shift now from utilizing what we have generated into supporting the national programs. Speaking on the basis of the programs that I have some knowledge of, I think genomics tools are already helping now to get things very close to the field. And I would say within the next 5 years, we should really have some varieties that have been developed or accelerated because of the utilization of the high-end genomics tool.